Hello everyone, I'm Mayuri. I'm working as an intern with MATLAB Helper for almost 2 months. My experience with MATLAB Helper has been great until now, and I know it will be more compelling in the future. I have been working with very right-minded and hardworking colleagues and a wise senior Gunjan sir who taught me to work patiently in the teamwork. We have a very comfortable work environment even if it's virtual, because the communication between the team is really smooth. It is very flexible to work with them. I have bonded with some of them apart from work. In the team tasks, everyone has been very cooperative with each other and always ready to help others if anyone needed. I have enhanced my understanding about MATLAB coding during this internship as I have worked on different topics every time. During the work, I have learned so many things along with MATLAB, such as creative writing, video making, and editing skills on which I have never worked before. The most important advantage about this internship as we can work at flexible hours according to our routine. For me, every day has been very exciting to learn and explore so many new things. I'm very happy and fortunate to be a part of MATLAB Helper team and able to work with them. Thank you.